Tristan is about to shotgun a Four Loco. Like, no doubt. Here it is right here. Four Loco. There's Tristan over there. He's trying to play his fucking get down music.
And you know.
I'm gonna pop this.
Your boy right here is gonna take 2 shots with you right now. You ready to do that?
No splash, because we do this shit professionally. AOD.
AOD all day, man.
Oh yeah,
AOD. Hey, I'm sorry right there, you know what I mean?
Hey man, you're gonna cut his lips on that shit.
I know.
Now right here. Hey, go here. Hey, Kelly.
It's the equivalent of, hey bro, no, it's a 6-pack, bro. It's a 6-pack. Because Budweiser is only about 4% alcohol, and that's 12 point something.
After video interview, get him up here real quick.
And only reason.
Hey, what do you gotta say about yourself?
My name is Tristan. I'm just a beast, bro. Contract signed, you know what I mean? Chris Chavinsky, look at
That's
him.
for sure right here. Hey, contract sign right here, you know what I mean?
Hey, right here.
Contract sign.
Hey.
I'm still in the deal right now. You know what I mean? Hey, you know what I mean? Still in the deal. AOD started doing it all day, you know what I mean?
Hey,
Hey.
over here. You know what I mean? Throw up the team.
Alright, cut it. Cut it.